everyone, it's time for Titi. I'm Titi, and I appreciate you spending time with me.
It's time for Titi. It's Titi time. We're gonna learn. We're gonna sing. We're gonna talk about a lot of things. It's time for Titi. It's Titi time. It's time for Titi. It's Titi time. It's time for Titi Teaches. C is for cooking. Cooking is something that I really enjoy doing, and I wanted to share it with you. These are some pictures and videos of different things that I have cooked. Cooking is something that you've probably seen people do, and if you've gone to a restaurant, the person who makes your food is called the cook or the chef. Cook and chef start with the letter C. When a person cooks, they combine different ingredients and foods to create a meal. Combine and create start with the letter C. You are probably too young to cook, but when you get older and you're able to cook with the help of a responsible adult, you will also be able to create different things. When Ollie was little, I had him start learning how to cook with me, and we always had a blast. He learned that cooking could be fun. And I hope you learn that too. C is for cake. C is for carrot. And now it's time for TT Teammates. C is for chess. Today, Ollie and I decided we were going to play chess. Let's see how it goes.
Let's learn about the letter C as you sing along with me. Sing along with me. C says cook as in cat. Let's all repeat that. Cook as in cat. Let's learn about the letter C as you sing along with me. Sing along with me. C says Sutta in city. Repeat after me. Sutta in city. Let's learn about the letter C as you sing along with me. Sing along with me. CH says Cha-cha as in cheese. I hope you're having fun. Learning.
C is for card. C is for candle. The first Women's History Day took place in 1909. Women's History Month started for the first time in 1987. C is for can. C is for can't. What can women do? What can women do? What can women do? What can women do? We help to make this country great. We took a stand against much hate by fighting so hard for change. Now many people know our names. What can women do? 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 We help to cure diseases and fought for the mistreated. We find ways to overcome and now have many victories won. What can women do? 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 What can women C is for cat. C is for camera.
Hi, Mom. Guess where I'm going today?
Where are you going?
Camping.
Have fun and be safe.
Thank you, Mom. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And now it's time for Titi Travels. C is for camping. I had never been camping before this, but it was an interesting experience. We went to Daytona to see the racing at the Daytona Speedway, and we actually had a chance to drive on the Speedway, which was pretty cool. When we got there, we set up tents, which was a new experience, but it went well. Once I was able to walk around, I made sure to take videos of what it looked like there. We were there for the Supercross racing, and it was really cool to see. While we were there were different things going on, like planes flying around, advertising, things that were going on in the area and such. The racing was really, really cool because all different ages participated, from young kids all the way up to adults. I recorded some during the practices so you guys could see just how cool it is. Now, this is something that takes a lot of practice. It takes a lot of time, and it can be something that's really enjoyable for the people that are doing it, especially when they know how to do it safely. I hope you enjoyed the trip to the Daytona Speedway as much as I did.
Hi, Mom. Guess where I'm going today?
Where are you going?
To the Carolinas.
Have fun and be safe.
Thank you, Mom. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And now it's time for TT Travels. C is for Carolina. This time we traveled to North and South Carolina. It was a long drive, so we had to get out a lot to stretch our legs and to take breaks because we did have to travel pretty far. The scenery was really nice, and when we got there, we were able to travel to a really nice park. We decided to walk around the trails and take in the scenery, which was pretty cool. We were able to see a lot of trees that you don't necessarily see in Florida, and it was very cool out, which was nice because we weren't super hot. We were able to look at the ducks there and watch them swim around for a while. We also got to look at different buildings and travel to different sections of the park. And of course, Ollie and I had to bring our fingerboards because we needed to get our fingerboarding clips. So we did that all around the park as much as we could, and we had an absolute blast. I also brought my yo-yo so that I could yo-yo in the park. We ended up stopping for some great food at a place that we don't have here in Florida. It was amazing.
Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you spending time with me. Thanks for hanging out with Titi.